Hello guys, my name is Serbian and welcome back to another video where I opening a lot of CS2 case. If you play on this website, please use code Serbian because you will get 10% bonus on deposit, 50 cent free and every 24 hours free case only for you. Guys, today we have $2,000 on balance and let's go to make some amazing skins and profit also. Let's go guys to start with this case, neon case, but in this mode I need one AK-47 neon rider or maybe good knife marble fade. Let's go guys to make this amazing skin. Okay, first spin. Oh my god, Mac 10 Galil. This is the worst line in the whole. Oh my god, marble fade, good knife, neon rider. Oh my god, this is the best line what we can get here in this neon case. Oh my god, we get knife and neon rider. I'm so lucky today. Let's go one more time please, one more time please. Okay, this line is not good. One more time please, neon case. I know you can give me one marble fade. Oh my god, I can't believe we get Tech 9 factory new. Oh my god, I need one more knife today. I need one more knife today. I can get here in neon case. Let's go guys, one more time. Okay, AK-47 neon revolution, please factory new. Please give me factory new. Let's go guys to open something new. I will try to make maybe profit here. Lovely case in this mod. Let's go guys. We have balance today and we can try to make some amazing bayonet or maybe good knife. Let's go guys. Please give me something good. Okay. This is bayonet. Oh my god, factory new. Field tested. Okay, field tested is also okay. I can't believe guys, look at the line. Now I see two snipers, field tested and well warm. Oh my god, this is huge profit guys. Let's go to try two more time. Let's go, please give me something good. Please give me something good. Please give me this line. Neon revolution 2 times in the row. Let's go one more time. One more time. Oh my god, look at that bayonet. Good knife. And I get M4 and some bad skins. Let's go guys to make some amazing case battle. Neon case. Okay, let's go full. Let's go, please. Can you find me some player who wants to open a lot of neon case in this mod? Let's go Adrian, let's go Adrian, please. I must win today in case battle. Let's go guys. I know I will get knife. I know that. I will get good knife. Marble fade. I know that. Let's go guys. This skins is very bad. Okay, let's go. AK-47 field tested. Neon revolution. Oh my god! I get well warm. Okay, and drive. Oh my god! Let's go! I know that. I know this case. I will win today in this case battle. This case battle is so expensive. If I win here, I will get a lot of very expensive skins. Let's go guys. Please give me something more. 11 more case. Let's go. He gets sniper. Oh my god. I get very bad skin. Let's go guys, let's go. Please give me something new. Please give me one more knife left. Oh my god, he get factory new neon revolution. Oh my god, this is not good. He get knife. He get AK-47. This is not good. Oh my god, I will lose this case battle. I can't believe guys what I see. This is not real. This is not real. god, this is win! I win! I win! Oh my god, I can't believe! This is huge profit, guys. I get Marble Fate, good knife. Oh my god, I win. My heart will stop very soon, guys. Let's go, guys, on upgrade. Can we make one more knife or maybe gloves today? Let me see. Let's go, guys. Maybe this time, alright? Oh my god. Stop, 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 stop. This is win. This is win. I know that. I'm so lucky today. Let's go one more time, maybe, right? And next time we'll try left. Okay, one more time is right. Okay, let's go. Next time I will spin and put left. Okay, can we make maybe this sniper? This sniper is so cool. And let's go, guys. Left. Oh my god, I know how to play upgrade. I like a lot of upgrade. This is my favorite game on this website. Let's go, guys, more and more. Can we make this Deagle battle scar? One more time left. Please, please, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was so close. Let's go on the page number 6. Okay, and can we try to make maybe this gloves? One more time left. This time I win. This time I win. I have new gloves. Let's go, guys, on page number 5. We have a lot of very expensive skins here, and we can try to make maybe this knife. Oh my god, right. This is right. Oh my god. Okay, one more knife today, and let's go to try make more knives and maybe one more gloves. Okay, let's go to try to make these gloves. Maybe this time left. Please, please, please. Oh my god. Oh my god, I lose. Deagle, AK-47, AK-47. Okay, let me try one more time left for this amazing knife. Let's go, please. Left, left. I know that. Let's go profit today. Let's go. We have a lot of very expensive skins here. Okay, 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 okay. And maybe we can try to make maybe new AK-47. But this time I must change. Okay, maybe this time right. Okay, let's go right. I make a huge profit today on upgrade, and let's play more. Okay, okay. Maybe this time we can try to make a Doppler Bayonet Factory new stat track. Look at that knife. Blue, blue, blue. Let's go left, please. Let's go left. Give me that bayonet. Oh my god. This is huge profit, guys. Let's go one more time. One more time. But this time, if we win, we will make a very good skin. Okay. This time we can try to make Butterfly. Okay, this time I will play right. Please right. Please right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I make a huge profit today. I make a lot of good skins. If you play on this website, please use code Serbian. You will get a bonus. See you soon. Bye.